And here we go with part one of Local 6 Legal Line on this Thursday. Mark Bryant and Tara Swanson of the Bryant Law Center, Paducah and Louisville visiting with us, answering your questions regarding criminal defense and divorce at 1-888-208-6946. Give us a jingle. We'll get those answers for you here in just a little bit. And before we get started, Mark, I know there's always something going on with the Bryant Law Center. What's new? Yeah,
well, it's a lot of really neat stuff going on. The first thing I want to do, though, I want to put a shout out to my uncle, Albert Jones, who just turned 91. Albert, sadly, is at Baptist Hospital right now. He's not feeling too good, and he got a lot of friends out there because Albert was elected Commonwealth's attorney years ago, and then he was elected to the House of Representatives, and he was elected mayor, and he was appointed United States Attorney for the Western District of Kentucky by President Jimmy Carter. And Albert, we're just hoping that everything goes well, and I love you, and I'll be talking to you as soon as I can. The next thing, the Bryant Law Center tries to do as much as we can to help the community, and one way we try to do that is by helping educate young people. We have a scholarship now that is on, if you'll look at our Facebook page, up in the top right, there is something you can push on and talks about scholarships for young people, and also it's on, this mask is a pain, but anyhow, but we got to wear them. And the other thing, it's on our website, BryantPSC.com, and we're giving a $1,000 scholarship to high school kids that send us videos, and we're going to pick out what it is, but it's a video about how COVID has impacted your education this last 9 months, and whoever does the best one is going to get a $1,000 scholarship to the college of your choice. And the next thing is, all you college kids, we want you to do one on how Ruth Bader Ginsburg has impacted your life one way or the other. And you get $1,000 also to your to the college you're going to. So get on that. It's going to be a few more months of doing it, but all you got to do is do a minute to 2 minute video and tell us those things, and email them to us. We're going to judge them, and then we're going to give out $2,000 in scholarships to help everybody out, because education is really the key, and we need to educate more people in Kentucky so Kentucky will be a better place for us all to live. So there. Now that's all.
Is that all?
Yep.
Okay, we've got about a minute.
Oh,
about a minute left in this segment, and we've got time for one quick question at least, and that is from Jason, who wants to know, how can I legally transport my gun to another state? Terrace, I bet this one's for you.
All right, Jason. In the minute that we have left, first of all, you need to check the states that you'll be traveling through, check their laws. That's the most important thing. Generally, you're fine to transport through a state so long as the ammunition is separate from the firearm and they're both in locked cases and stored separately. That's generally, but again, check the states you're going through. If you had a concealed carry license, they may be respected in that state, but you just need to check before you do that.
And getting back to Uncle Albert before we close here for the first break, my dad and Uncle Albert used to run around when they were kids,
yeah,
so my dad would certainly be proud of the accomplishments that he has done. But you know what? Our time is gone for segment number 1 already, but we've got part 2 coming up, taking more of your questions at 1-888-208-6946. All coming up after the break on Local 6 Midday.